Guys, Kid Mar 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be talking about OMG Go. OMG Go is an ambitious project that aims to unbank the bank. I know, sounds crazy. By using the Ethereum blockchain, OMG Go is building a decentralized exchange, liquidity provider, also clearing house message network, and an asset-backed blockchain. OMG Go. Sorry, I'm getting sick again, guys. I need to start taking better care of myself. Go's high-performance distributed network enforces exchanges across classification, fiat-backed issuers to fully decentralized blockchain tokens, the ECR20 style, of course, and the native cryptocurrencies. Unlike other decentralized exchange, however, guys, the cool thing about the OMG Go decentralized exchange is it allows for decentralized exchanges to go back and forth without having a gateway token, reducing spreads and assuring decentralization, and also increasing transparency. But before we dive into OMG Go, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at their website, at the market here. Market cap currently sitting at 660 billion, so it does look like we are coming down. Bitcoin dominance coming up a little bit here, currently sitting at 34%. Bitcoin currently down 2% for the day, Ethereum down 5%. Ripple taking a nice hard dive here, currently down 10%, but it's okay because eventually we're going to buy it at a discount here. Bitcoin Cash down 8%, Cardano down 7%, Litecoin down 5%, NEM down 5%, NEO up 14%. I'll probably have to make a video for NEO. I should have done it a long time ago. I don't know why I haven't, but I'll probably make one on that. Lumen's down 9%, IOTA down 9%, EOS down 6%, Dash down 9%, Monero up almost 2%. Yikes, look at all those Tron buyers down 13% here, currently sitting at 7 cents. Bitcoin Gold down 8%, Ethereum Classic down 8%, Qtum down 9%, Icon down 11%, List down 10%, Ryblox down 8%, Ardor still a question mark, gonna have to do more research on that. OMG Go down 7% for the day, guys. Stratus down almost 1% here. Zcash down 8%, Binance down 15%, Verge down 17%, SIA down 13%. So it's a red day here, guys, in the cryptocurrency market. BitConnect's been under maintenance for like two days now. I haven't checked since this morning, but supposedly it's a bunch of they're saying that they're being attacked. They're trying to take their servers down, so they're kind of trying to migrate to something new. But we'll see. Maybe it's their exit scan. Maybe it isn't. I don't think it is. I actually think they're under maintenance. They are trying to avoid getting shut down and all that kind of fun stuff. But we'll continue on. Status down 10, Steam down 14. So I'm trying to make a Steam account, but I forgot my password, and I guess that's the one thing you shouldn't do with Steam is forget your password, because the only way to get a new account is with a new phone number, and that's a mission and a half, so I'm not really trying to do that, but whatever. We'll figure something out. KuCoin shares down 16. Go ahead, he's referring down below. Doge down 22%. Golem down 4%. Gas up 14%. ARK down 13%. So looking like a pretty red day here, guys, in the crypto market. But like I said, we're probably going to be having a nice little cryptocurrency market meltdown here, as I posted in one of my other videos. Oh yeah, definitely. I feel like it's going to happen now. When I posted this little compare this chart to Litecoin note here, we were working on this candle here, and this looked like it was actually going to shoot up, but it was a nice little wick fill, and now it looks like we're going to continue towards the downside. Where do I see this going, guys? I don't think it's going to get too pretty, to be honest. I could easily see this coming down to about 10,000, and if we do decide to break 10,000, I believe 7,500 will be a solid support. Once we do bounce off either 10,000 or 7,500, definitely expect a solid push towards the upside. This is probably the lowest Bitcoin will ever be. This is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. After that, where do I see it going? Definitely back up to 20,000, no problem. By the end of maybe not even by the end of 2018, but maybe midway through, I'm definitely keeping an eye for 50,000 here, guys. I want to say in the next 4 to 6 months, but that's just my personal opinion. Again, not a financial advisor. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum here. Ethereum looks like we could have possibly a double top here. Could be seeing a nice little drop to about 800 and then a nice bounce towards the upside. Oh, I shouldn't have closed the Bitcoin chart, but if we go ahead and compare it, if you remember, it's almost pretty identical. So what am I expecting here from Litecoin? Definitely the same thing. Probably going to see a nice little bounce off 144. If we don't see the bounce off 144, I'm expecting a bounce off 100 and then a nice little shot towards the upside. Remember, guys, this is just my personal opinion, but if this is what does play out somewhere around here, This will probably be the lowest Litecoin will ever be from here on out, and I'd load up if I were you, but that's just my personal opinion. You don't have to listen to me. Let's go ahead and take a look at OMG Go here, guys. Currently down 7% for the day, sitting at about $22. It's at $29.94 right now. Market cap 2.2 billion. Today's volume 99.6 million. Circulating supply 102 million. Total supply 140 million. Where can you get some OMG Go here, guys? You can get it from Bitfinex, Upbit, Bittrex, and Binance. Those are the major exchanges. Poloniex, KuCoin, Cryptopia, HitBTC. So they got a lot of exchanges here where you can get them. Let's go ahead and take a look at their website here. Still moving houses. That's why some of these videos are coming a lot later. But we'll be back to regular schedule next week, hopefully. Unbanked the banked with Ethereum. OMG Go is a public Ethereum-based financial technology for use in mainstream digital wallets that enables real-time peer-to-peer value exchange and payment services agnostically across jurisdictions and organizational silos and across both fiat money and decentralized currencies, designed to enable financial inclusion and disrupt existing institutions. Access will be made available to everyone via OMG Go network and the digital wallet framework. So they're trying to bring the bank to your cell phone, guys. So they're trying to make it so you can take a credit card, make a payment, take a loan out, etc., stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. A lot of people have, and I didn't really know this, but I started meeting like other people, and some of these people didn't even have banks, and I was just like kind of confused. I was like, how do you not have a bank account? But some people don't trust the banks, or they're not able to get a bank for whatever reason. So they either got to keep everything cash or figure something else out. But you'd be surprised with the amount of people that don't have banks. OMG Tokens, thank you for all the support. Says of OMG Tokens concluded. What is OMG Go? OMG Go is the answer to a fundamental coordination problem amongst payment processors, gateways, financial institutions. By enabling decentralized exchange on a public blockchain at a high volume and low cost, OMG Go provides a next-generation value transfer service operating across currencies and asset types. Through the OMG Go network connected to the Ethereum mainnet, anyone will be able to conduct financial transactions such as payments, remittances, payroll deposit, B2B commerce, supply chain finance, loyalty programs, the list goes on, guys, asset management and trading, and other on-demand services in a completely decentralized, inexpensive way. Further, millions of mainstream users in the largest growing economies in the world will be, man, this is just, but that's pretty much it. It's a decentralized exchange. Here they're trying to bring everything, to the mobile, to your phone here. Payments, remittance, payroll deposit, B2B commerce, supply chain and finance, loyalty programs, trading, asset management, all decentralized here. The OMG Go blockchain comprises a decentralized exchange, liquidity provider mechanism, clearinghouse messaging network, asset-backed blockchain gateway, proof of stake. The OMG Go white label wallet SDK will allow diversified payment solutions to be easily deployed on the robust OMG Go network. Digital wallet providers have the flexibility to enhance, add, and customize payment solutions for various industries and vertical markets. If you guys want to go ahead and take a look at the white paper, that's where I get my information, guys. How do I find the coins? I pretty much just scroll. I've pretty much seen almost, not all of them, but a pretty good amount. The way I really find them is if the logo's cool, I'll click on it. If the name's cool, I'll probably click on it. Then I start reading the white paper. If I like the white paper, then I make a video on it or I invest in it. If I don't, then I don't really talk about it because there's not much to talk about. But let's go ahead and keep looking at their website. This is a really, really short video that I recommend you guys watching. Super fast, and just pretty much explains what OMG Go is. OMG has a big believer in Ethereum and its family of technologies, contributing funding to the foundation dev grants initiatives in 2015. Our investors: SBI Investment, Ascend Capital, SMD, 500 Startups, Golden Gate Ventures. Management team here, the CEO, the co-founder. But this is something big here, guys, that I kind of wanted to bring up. If you go under advisors here, check it out. They have the founder of Ethereum, so they're working with Ethereum. I feel like this is very, very, very big here. And just by having him as one of your advisors, I feel like that definitely gives you a nod. They have Roger Ver over here. There's definitely a solid team here of advisors. Like I'm saying, guys, if you have the founder of Ethereum here and you got him advising you on, how to work on his blockchain, this is a good company. I feel like a good coin to invest in. Just my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and look at some price action here, guys. So when I first found out about OMG Go, it was hanging out about here, $7, $6. For whatever reason, I didn't buy. Bad idea, but it's all good. We'll catch the rebound. So what am I expecting here from OMG Go? I already marked some previous support and resistance levels here. As you can tell, we were stuck in a nice little consolidation, and then we finally broke out, came back down to test it here, and we found support at about $11. As you can tell, we have a nice little uptrend forming. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. However, we've failed to form a higher high here, as you can tell, and it looks like we could possibly be double topping here, and we could see a nice retracement towards the downside. However, where do we find support? Well, this is the daily here, guys. OMG Go USD. Bittrex is the broker for the charts. TradingView is the website that I'm using to analyze these charts here. So as you can tell, it looks like we have a possible double top here. Looks like we have a minor support here at about 1850, and then another support here at about 1475, 1465. What I'm kind of expecting here from OMG Go, if we go ahead and look at the 4-hour here. And it's not OMG Go's fault, guys. You know, the market's just kind of in a bear market today, and that's all right. Like, it just means we're going to catch these guys at a discount. So if you go in the 4-hour, it looks like a triple top. Top 1, top 2, top 3. And then we came back up to test it, and we failed. Or, I mean, like, yeah, well, it did hold, and now we're falling towards the downside. But what I'm expecting here from OMG Go, guys, is a nice little drop to about 15, and then a nice little push towards the upside. That's my first scenario. I honestly don't think, don't get me wrong, I could be wrong. I'm always wrong. You know, that it's been like, there's been times where it's just like, whoa, what were we thinking, you know? But personally, I feel like it's going to bounce off 15 and then shoot towards the upside. However, we could see a nice little bounce to about $12, $11, and then a push towards the upside. Where do I see this coin going, guys? I believe by the end of 2018, this coin is easily worth about $50. This is just my personal opinion, guys. You know, I could definitely shoot past that. A lot of people may agree, may disagree with me. Remember, guys, though, this is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. I know you guys like the cheap ones. And you guys definitely like the technical analysis, so I'll keep bringing that. But thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Peace.